This is a brand new 2025 Peterbilt 579 day cab. It is a Cummins powered X15 12-speed automated transmission. It's got your safety features like your Bendix forward-facing radar, your collision avoidance, and your adaptive cruise. It's a 208-inch wheelbase, 40,000-pound rear air ride suspension with a 279 gear ratio. Air disc brakes all the way around. Here's the interior. Cloth seats. Your floor mats and cup holder, your safety triangles, fire extinguisher. Extra dash gauges. Satellite radio. CB radio. Let's see what we got under the hood. Your X15 Cummins. It's 450 horse. If this isn't the right truck for you, we have got a great selection of them. Day cabs, sleeper trucks, new and used. Call Vargo down here at Peterbilt of Atlanta in Jackson, Georgia. 706-372-4698. Call, text. Some of the used trucks we've got in stock. Your customers' units. Down there we've got our long line of new trucks. So call me if we can find you something.